Welcome to Hover Tactics Week 11 updates. Hover Tactics is a Unity URP game in which there is hover mech combat simulation with some strategic elements in it, and one more week before game release. That's right. Now we have 7 days, and this game will be released, launched on itch.io, and it will also be added to HomeTeam GameDev Communities games. This game is being developed in association with HomeTeam GameDev community. The link to join them is in the description below. Here the additions and changes. Flippy.tree changed controller to settings for pause menu. Before that, I didn't know that Flippy.tree implemented the pause, the sound effects and BGM settings in pause menu, and I was looking for it in the main menu, which is an ignorance from my side. And I added dark night mode. Now it looks really good. Added a prologue, level design stuff. Still there are a few things missing, of course, and UI improvements, bug fixes and tweaks. So it's playtime, and let's check out the game. Massive level design changes, and I did a lot of things, and if I'm not wrong, we also have this thing I made. This is the design picture which I used, and basically I just drawn this diagram and tried to make things out of it, design the flow. And once I'm satisfied, I got satisfied by that, I then put it in the Unity and crafted the level using that very same design, of course. And then I changed it, added tweaks and stuff, and now it has all the things. If I click on gizmos, there are the waypoints for the enemy mechs. There are the Mayans all set. There are all sorts of buildings all over the place. It seems like pretty well settled level. Of course, some difficulty is actually pretty high. I played it, and definitely some tweaks are needed, and there are some buildings that are actually overpowered, so I might have to decrease their difficulty and stuff. Yeah, all the talking aside, let's just play the game actually. So here's the prologue, right? When you click play, you get into the prologue. Year 3000. Mankind was struggling on Earth, and now the solution is landing on Mars. But extraterrestrial life is stopping mankind from doing so. Yeah. Time to send the second batch of 3 powerful mechs. I did share some of the history on a tweet regarding the prologue. You know, it's just something in my mind. Basically, we first sent first batch of powerful mechs and they failed, and now we are sending the second one. And we can maybe do a second game of power mech in which we are sending the first 3 mechs. Something like that, I don't know. But it's fun, yeah. We can do a lot of crazy things. Commander, give me the order. I can handle it. This is Kronos. This Kronos will help with maintaining the shields, and my beam can crush the enemies. Hold on, you have to get out of the laser cave first in order to perform. Let Wyvern help you with that. I'm stuck inside too, but this Calamity has immense power, firepower to deal with all troubles. By the way, you can click. If you click, then okay, I think this is not the feature right now. Yeah, and let's play the game. So yeah, pretty basic stuff, the same things, but now there's the camera shakes, building shakes, and it feels much more lively. Whoa, he's shooting. Great. Oh, I got hit by one. There, dead. And yeah, there's the overpowered building that keeps shooting like, I don't know how to, but actually, you know what? Bye bye, die. See? So yeah, even how the mechs are powerful. There it is. Oh my god, this is a fast bullet, man. Let's just be careful. Oh, I just lost. So as you can see, the game is hard. Now if I click settings, yeah, there it is. SFX and BGM settings. In the pause menu, it is done by Flippy.tree. Here, if I click settings and I click the dark mode, now the dark mode is on. And if I go back, play the game. Yeah, so here's the dark mode or night mode. And it looks really cool, the purple and, you know, the overall darkness. I think it's cool. and the bullets shine. I mean, you can see the bullets because bullets are emissive. So yeah, I think it's pretty decent. And same for the cloud, the explosion cloud. It's also emissive. Yeah, some of the emissive elements in this game really makes it look good. I have to go close to this guy. Yeah, there it is. Let's destroy this guy. It's hard to destroy. There it is, gone. Oh, yeah, the things that shoot from the outside the laser, they cannot hit you at all because the laser covers it. Like I cannot hit it as well. So that's another feature I added, just because that makes the laser fence much more sensible, in my opinion. And yeah, let's fight. Yep. And whoa, I don't have the shield. Oh no, actually. So yeah, here's another thing. If I press tab, there I have the Wyvern, and it's also in a cage, right? Surrounded by mines because, well, the idea is to stop Wyvern from going outside. Our enemies are clever, aren't they? So yes, and I can cross the laser fences with the... Oh, but yeah, the weakness of Wyvern is this core building. The moment it gets into the radius of this building, it gets destroyed. So you have to avoid those core buildings, and they are the most around the Wyvern. Just so you have to play strategically with the Wyvern mech. Yeah, I really tried to go deep into the level design, but yeah, that is all. And there are probably more features. Actually, let's just play again so that I can also show you what is Calamity doing. So if I tab, there's the Wyvern, and if I tab again, I press tab to change the mechs, as it is also written down there. But this guy, he's a sad guy. Calamity is a sad guy because he cannot escape. He can't. He's unable to escape because he's surrounded by these laser fences. That's it. This is the last week. I'm not really sure what to add. Probably tweaks, improvement, props. I'm here all for tweaking, polishing stuff, and just completing the level design, making sure the enemy mechs integrate well. And right now, as you have already seen, the game is kind of tough. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for your contributions and for watching the updates. I hope you guys are doing great. Goodbye.